English speaking practice. Topic at the doctor's clinic. Part 1, Introduction. Hello friends. Welcome back to English speaking practice. Today's topic is at the doctor's clinic. This topic is very useful in daily life. Speak slowly and clearly. Let's begin. Part 2, Feeling sick. Yesterday, I was not feeling well. I had a headache and fever. My body felt weak and tired, so I decided to visit a doctor. Health is very important. We should take care of our body. Eating healthy food is necessary. Part 3, At the clinic. The clinic was clean and quiet. Many patients were sitting in the waiting area. Some people were reading newspapers. Others were talking softly. I waited for my turn patiently. After some time, the doctor called my name. Part 4, Conversation with the doctor. Doctor, hello, what problem are you facing? Patient, I have a fever and headache. Doctor, since when are you feeling sick? Patient, since yesterday morning. Doctor, are you taking proper rest? Patient, no doctor, I was busy with work. Doctor, you need rest and healthy food. Patient, okay doctor, I will take care. Part 5, Getting medicines. The doctor gave me some medicines. He advised me to drink more water. He also told me to sleep early. Good sleep is important for good health. I thanked the doctor for his advice. Then I went to the medical store. I bought all the medicines carefully. Part 6, Confidence Practice. I practice English every day. I speak slowly and confidently. I am improving day by day. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Speaking English is becoming easier for me. Practice gives me confidence. I will become fluent soon. Part 7, Closing. Thank you for practicing with me. Repeat these sentences daily. Daily practice improves pronunciation and fluency. Keep learning and keep practicing. See you in the next English speaking practice session.